Okay, hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you how to set up Claude Code for yourself to use. The first step is usually the most overwhelming step, but I'm here to guide you. Alright, so let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is download Virtual Studio Code. This is how you spell it. Okay, head down to Virtual Studio Code. This is what the logo looks like, and just download it for your Windows. Simple. Next, you want to go to claude.ai. Okay, create an account with Claude AI. So let me just quickly do it. So you'll get a verification code in your email. Just type it in, and let's verify the email. Now that you're into Claude, we want to get the subscription ASAP. So we'll go into upgrade plan. Okay, we want to come into the plans menu and get the pro plan. Apparently now it's $30. I'm sorry. On my Instagram I accidentally said $20, but now it's $30. You can save per month if you want to get a yearly plan. But if you're new to AI, I suggest you get the monthly one first to make an informed decision on whether you want to get a yearly one. Alright, so you can get the pro plan and just carry on with your payments, etc. Okay, so go ahead and make your payments. After you are done with that, let's head down to Virtual Studio Code. Alright, so open up Virtual Studio Code on your computer and you'll see something like this. Okay, what you want to do is first of all get extensions. So come down to extensions and type down Claude Code. Okay, so you can just install. I already have it installed, but you can just install. So I'll just press restart extensions so that we can all experience it together. Okay, yep, it's up already. And to know that you have properly installed it, you'll see this thing on the top right over here. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do is create a file to work on. So for example, I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to call it Teachings with Mr. Joven. I'm going to call it Teachings with Joven so that I can show you guys how it works. So we just prepare this file over here so that Claude Code will work in this file. Okay, so now we can close our folder. And we will open a folder in Virtual Studio Code. So you will look for the file that you just created. Okay, great. Now we have selected the folder that Claude is going to work in. And now what you want to do is open the extension. So go down to extensions again and find Claude Code. Enable in workspace, trust folder and continue. Congrats, now you have Claude Code opened up in your Virtual Studio Code. If every time you can't find it, just look for this thing on the top right. And if you can't find this on the top right, it's probably because you haven't enabled extension for this file. So these are just some things about Fable 5, a very powerful model. And you can currently access Fable 5 through your paid plan. Unfortunately, afterwards, you need to pay per usage for Fable 5. So as you can see, I already have Claude Code set up previously. Right, so when they start prompting you to log into Claude Code, you'll have some back and forth between Virtual Studio Code and your browser, be it Chrome or whatever you use, because you'll be receiving some login codes on your browser. So just type those login codes into the Claude Code in Virtual Studio Code and you're good to go. So voila, you have Claude Code set up in this folder. So Claude Code will only act in this folder in your computer, not your entire computer, just this folder. So when you come into Claude Code, you want to pick which model you want to use. Fable 5 is very, very powerful, but we don't need Fable 5. I strongly recommend you just stick to Opus. And I like to toggle it to the max for workflows so that Opus can deploy multiple AI agents to complete my task. But if you're doing simple tasks, you just need it in the middle at extra high effort. Up to you. Personally, I always use it in this also because I have the $150 subscription in order to survive the token limits. Okay, so with that said, your Claude Code is all set up. Go and have fun and try using it, typing some prompts. And honestly, whatever you can think of, Claude Code can probably create it for you. So have some fun, and I will go through specific use cases in the next video.